Pig, Peppa's Diwali. At playgroup, Madame Gazelle is telling the children about Diwali, the festival of light. They are all drawing pictures. "Now you all have a picture to take home to your parents," she says. The next day, Peppa and George wake up to sounds in the kitchen. "We're celebrating Diwali," says Mummy Pig. Peppa blinks at the bright kitchen light. Everybody is up early for the festival. Mummy and Daddy Pig are busy cooking. They are getting ready for the party. Later on, Granny and Grandpa Pig arrive with presents and clothes for the children. "Hello, Peppa. Hello, George," says Granny Pig. "Are you excited about Diwali?" "All over the world, families are coming together," says Grandpa Pig. "This year, we wanted to join in too." Auntie and Uncle Pig ring the doorbell. The whole family has come to stay. "Hello, Chloe," says Peppa. "Hello, baby Alexander." Mummy Pig frowns. I hope we've got enough food." "I'll peel some more potatoes," says Daddy Pig. Everyone gets changed into their special outfits from Granny and Grandpa Pig. Even baby Alexander is dressed for the occasion. "Wow," says Peppa. "Everybody looks so beautiful." "Now we're all ready," says Mummy Pig. "It's time to light the candles. They are called diyas." "Oh," says Peppa. "Is it someone's birthday?" "No, Peppa," Granny Pig chuckles. "Diwali is a celebration of light." "The diyas bring us good luck," says Grandpa Pig. Diyas shine all around the house. Peppa and her family start to eat. "What a feast," says Uncle Pig. "Would you like seconds?" asks Mummy Pig. Uncle Pig asks Daddy Pig to pass him a potato, but Daddy Pig has gone outside. Daddy Pig is watching the fireworks. Pop, pop, pop. "Happy Diwali, everyone," he cries. "Happy Diwali," they all say back. Peppa loves Diwali. Everyone loves Diwali.